What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it go. It's your boy B back with another video. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like, comment, of course, subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And I first want to start talking about the Academy. If you have not joined the Academy, I am disappointed. Okay, because the Academy is where we are literally putting a whole bunch of hustlers together. I am helping you guys every single week. I dedicate different time slots of my day. So prime example, on Wednesdays at 7 p.m., we have a Q&A call where you can actually hit me up every single week. You can literally find me there and ask me questions, find out how to get over certain pain points you may have. On Sundays, we have the 8 a.m. plan of attack where we are setting our goals. I'm showing you guys how I organize my day. We are literally working together to hold ourselves accountable. And also every single month on the 16th, we have an app audit where I am looking through your selling app and I'm giving you pointers on what you can change, keep, and etc. And it's more and more different events that we have, different little contests, cash prizes. Guys, join the Academy today. And not to mention, you get a product box every single month. So prime example, imagine getting this in your mailbox or on your doorstep and being able to make money literally work for you. This Academy isn't about you just paying a monthly fee. And by the way, the monthly fee goes up and it goes down. But I will tell you guys right now, until the end of the month, I'm keeping it at $50 because I do want to gain a certain level of hustlers that are serious about their business. Prime example, I have a Discord, and what I realize is a lot of people, they love free knowledge, but they don't value it. And I want a platform where people are grinding, they want to make money, they want to continue to grow. And you're paying a $50 membership and you're getting products. You're getting products, assets. Like, let's work, guys. Let's continue to develop and make this money work for us. Now, when it comes to this video, I want to talk literally about how we're going to make money, or somebody is making money by getting these wholesale MagSafe chargers, okay? They ordered 30 of them from wesply.com. We get wholesale orders all the time. If you don't know about that website is my website where I sell wholesale products, okay? Anywhere from chargers, headphones, cases, and more, okay? We just added household items, so I'll be selling bleach, Downy, different things too for those that want to sell those type of items on Amazon, eBay, Mercari, OfferUp, and Facebook Marketplace, of course, okay? So when it comes to being able to make money work for you, it's very important that you understand how to develop a profit margin, okay? Now, I gave, and I'm not going to disclose because it is something where if you are a part of the Academy, especially, you get 75 extra % off of different devices, okay? So if you are looking to do wholesale, I'm going to give you a lower price point than I'll give anybody on the website. That's number one. This is from an Academy member. We actually did this deal through the Academy, not even through just the website. I gave him a extra % off, so more money off, and he was able to get these chargers, okay? And I want to give you guys an example on how you can change chargers like this into a whole bunch of profit. Prime example, okay? We're gonna act like these chargers were $8.50, okay? Let's say that we sold this person these chargers for $8.50. Now, the reason I don't want to disclose exactly how much is because I don't want to saturate his market. I don't want to mess up his thing or whatever he has going on. I want to make sure that you guys and your orders are as discreet as possible, if that makes sense, right? So me about to go and ship this off, I wanted to make this video because I don't think a lot of us realize how profitable these products just like this are, right? So number one, $8.50 per device, okay? So let's do the math. So $8.50, and I got my calculator because you ain't finna catch me slipping, all right? And we got 30, that's $255 that you would spend initially for these chargers, okay? These are assets though. So if you're somebody that has a job, prime example, and you get paid a check, right? One, and I've been telling people this all week, even my friends, I want you to do the research on who created the education system. I want you to do the research on why it was created. I want you to do this research because I want you to understand that, yes, we have jobs, but we have to utilize jobs in the right manner. A lot of us, we're not utilizing our jobs in the right way. We're thinking that we just need to work, come home, get our check, pay our bills, repeat. No, you need to take your check and you need to make sure that you are investing in some type of asset that's going to make you more money. Your check, your money that you make from your job, the money you make from going out and making somebody else rich needs to be going and being implemented into, yes, your bills, but also a part of it needs to be implemented or saved to actually help you afford more assets. Like, whether you're into real estate or whether you're somebody that wants to get a car so you can do Lyft, I don't want to create any restrictions for you. You know what I mean? I don't want to say, oh, you got to do this. No, like it's so many different ways that you can make money literally just by understanding how money works and how you can manipulate your money into actually making you not just wealthy or rich, but making you create generational wealth by turning $1 into 10 and by turning your $800 check into $1,600 every single week. But it doesn't happen by hesitations and by you being scared and not believing in yourself. Sometimes you got to actually take the risk to not fail or not lose money, but to also understand what is for you and what isn't, right? You, I think, as an entrepreneur, face way more fear than a normal person that has a job because you have more to gain and more to lose in every situation, right? So this $850, you spend that $255. It ain't no guarantee you won't get that $255 back right away. But it is a guarantee you're going to get it back. But there's no way for us to say, hey, yeah, I just invested $255. I'll get this back tomorrow or 2 weeks from now. When an employee or employee mindset may think, oh, well, I'm going to spend 255 hours working at my job and I'm going to make X amount on this date. That's like where they sort of kind of manipulate you to feeling comfortable until you start to realize that, hey, just because I know I'm going to reap a benefit at this time doing this work doesn't necessarily mean that I'm getting valued at the valuation I'm worth, right? Sometimes you have to go out and you have to push yourself. You have to go out into the uncertainty and hold yourself accountable to take the proper steps to get the results that you want, right? So $255 invested, right, to get 30 of these. Now, this person does eBay automation with me anyway. And I know why he brought these because he obviously sees that these are selling like hotcakes, right? So we sell them on eBay for $17. So $17 is what we sell them for, right? So 17 minus the 850, that means you got a profit of $8.50 that you're going to be able to make. Times that by the 30, he can make another $255. So his initial investment was $255. He's going to sell these for $17. 17 times the 30, right, is $510. Subtract the $255 that he already invested. Obviously, it's $255, right? Now, the real reason why we're breaking this down is because if you're making $255 profit from selling these items, really what you need to know now is, okay, I know that I'm going to make this once I sell all of these, but how am I going to do it? I'm going to break down to you guys how I sort of kind of think in my mind, how I'm going to sell products. So one, I give myself a deadline, right? So my deadline, prime example, if I was the person ordering these would be, hey, by the end of the month, I want to sell all of these chargers, not by the end of the week, not by the end of 2 weeks, because this is my first box of my first wholesale custom order. And it's different than a product box when you have multiple products and of different variations. This is the same exact thing. So same exact product, I need to list on certain platforms. I need to make sure I revise. I need to make sure I do my product research. So what I would do is I would say I'm gonna give myself a month. And yes, I do expect it to be sold before a month, but what I would say is giving myself a month time frame to make my money back. I'm going to sell it for 17, no lower than 17. Or you could say I sell it for 17, no lower than 13. You know what I mean? Like you set yourself a price and threshold. Just like if you were flipping phones, you set a ceiling price. So when you sit there and you figure out what the price point is that you're going to sell these at, now you got to figure out what platforms. Okay, I'm going to sell it on Walmart Marketplace, eBay, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, right? That's 4 places. Okay, so I'm going to sell it on 4 platforms. How many times am I going to list this every single week? So this is where you will start to understand why I said a month. Because let's say you're like, okay, I'm going to list it one time on each platform once a week. And let's say the first week you don't get no sales. So obviously you see, okay, I need to revise my product at least 2 times, right? Because obviously it's not working me just sitting there listing it one time, right? And waiting 6 days. So the second week you go and you list it 2 times. And what I mean by revise, if you don't understand, revising a product or revising a listing is going over, editing the listing, changing profile pictures, changing prices, shipping offers, descriptions, all of that, okay? So some people, they only want to change it one time, okay? So if you only want to do it one time for that 1 week, because you know you got 4 weeks in a month, so that 1 week you're only doing 1 revision. It doesn't work. You sell 3. Okay, so now I know I need to list it maybe 3 times a week, right? On each platform. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12. So that's 12 listings a week for this product, okay? All right, you do that. And let's say now you see you sold 15. Okay, so now if I sold 15, and remember, we already got 1 week down, right? And I only sold 3. Okay, now I see I sold 15 the second week. Now I gotta say, okay, I got 2 more weeks. If I sold 15 this week, let me see if I can duplicate it next week. Let's say you do. Then you hit the sweet spot. You like, okay, I got to revise my product 2 times every single week, each time on each platform, and I will get this result. That is how you execute. You got to start thinking about it in a system format, because if we just go and say, hey, I'm just going to list it on the way I feel or how I think it will work, you're never going to see the results on a consistent basis. It's not about how you think. It's not about what you feel. It's not about how you feel like working or how much you feel like working or how you feel that product is worth or how people view it. It doesn't matter. It's all about creating some type of system for you to actually see a result. So I want you guys to start to hone on creating that system once you get products like this, because I know it's a whole bunch of people that order Hustler Maxes, Hustler Pods. They order different chargers, cases, MagSafe cases as well. I want you guys to get these products and not just start listing them randomly, but develop a system and then monitor if that system works. And if it doesn't work, then you see, okay, I have to pivot. I got to change my position. I got to try something new. All right, guys. So I wanted to share that tip with you guys because it's important for us to continue to get these wholesale products and continue to start making money work for us. Hope you guys are having a great one. Hope you continue to build and make money work for you. I see you guys at the top because it's 2 crowd at the bottom. Peace.